Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin APu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to conduct a mathematics class for the student of class nursery. Today's topic is a write in number from 31 to 50. Write in number from 31 to 50. Okay. Today our lecture number is 9. My dear students, today you have no homework to done. Okay. Now, you have already learned from 1 to 50, my dear students. You have already learned from 1 to 50. All the numbers you have already learned. Today, we will learn here two questions. The first question is write in number from 31 to 40. That means in this box, in between this box, we will fill up the numbers from 31 to 40. The first number is 31. First number is given here, 31. So first box must be filled up with the number 31. Okay, it's 311 makes the number 31. After 31 we have 32. My dear students, we will write down in the next column. Okay, we will not write down in the next row. We should first fill up this first row. Okay, so the next column we will write down in the number 32. Okay, 3 and 2 makes the number 32. My dear students, you can say that 3 tens and 2 ones makes the number 32. After 32, we have the number 33. 33 can write down 3 and 3 makes the number 33. Okay. After 33, we have which number? We have the number 34. Yes, we have the number 34. It's 3 and 4 makes the number 34, my dear students. After 34, we have the number 35. 3 and 5 makes the number 35. Or you can say that 3 tens and 5 ones makes the number 35. After 35, we fill up already the box of the first row. Okay, we'll go to the next row, first column. Here we should write down the next number of 35. It's 36. 3 and 6 makes the number 36. Don't do any mistake to write down number 6. Okay, 3 and 6 makes the number 36. After 36, we have 37. 3 and 7, my dear students. 3 and 7 make the number 37. Then after 37, we have the number 38. 3 and 8 makes the number 38. You can tell it that 3 tens and 8 ones makes the number 38. After 38, we have the number 39, my dear students. It's 3 and 9 makes the number 39. After 39, we have 40, the number 40. How to write down 40? My dear students, remember, there is given the last number also. We did write down from 31 to 40. So 31 is the first number and 40 will be the last number. That means 4 and 0 makes the number 40. You can take help from your question. Okay. Now I am repeating again. It's 311 makes the number 31. 3 and 2 makes the number 32. 3 and 3 makes the number 33. 3 and 4 makes the number 34. 3 and 5 makes the number 35. Next number we should write down in the next row. It's 3 and 6 makes the number 36. 3 and 7 makes the number 37. 3 and 8 makes the number 38. 3 and 9 makes the number 39. The last number of this question, 4 and 0 makes the number 40. The second question, now I am going to the second question, my dear students. The second question is write in number from 41 to 50. Okay, you should write down from 41 to 50. Now again the first number is given, it's 41. Okay, so in the first box we should fill up this box with the number 41. It's 4 and 1 makes the number 41. After 41, which number comes? After 41, the number comes is 42. To make the number 42, you should write down 4 and 2 to make it 42. Okay, after 42, the number comes which is 43. It's 4 and 3 makes this number 43. 43's next number is 44. It's 4 and 4 which makes the number 44. Okay, after 44, my dear students, the number comes which is 45. Okay, 4 and 5 makes the number 45. After 45, we have already filled up this row. Now we will go to the next row, first column. We have the number 46. My dear students, to write down 46, 4 and 6 makes the number 46. After 46, the number comes which is 47. 4 and 7 makes the number 47. You can tell that 4 tens and 7 ones make the number 47. The next number of 47 is 48. To make 48, we should write down 4 and 8 in this box to make the number 48. After 48, we have the number 49. 4 and 9 makes the number 49, my dear students. The last number is 50. That means after 49, the number comes which is 50. My dear students, to write down 50, you should write down 5 and 0. The question is given. In the question, the number is given already. 5 and 0 makes the number 50. Okay. It's so easy. It's a so easy class for you. Again, I am telling you the numbers from 41 to 50. Look very carefully. It's 4 and 1 makes the number 41. After 41, we have 42. 4 and 2 makes the number 42. Then 4 and 3 makes the number 43. After 43, the number comes which is 44. 4 and 4 makes the number 44. After 44, the number comes which is 45. 4 and 5 makes the number 45. 46 comes after 45, which is 4 and 6 makes this number 46. After 46, the number comes which is 47. 4 and 7 makes the number 47. Then we have 48. 4 and 8 makes the number 48. After that, the number comes which is 49. 4 and 9, 49. Then the last number which is 50. The 50 number is given here. 5 and 0 makes the number 50. Okay, my dear students. Now, I think you have understood my today's lecture because you can write down the number from 1 to 50. Okay. Now, my dear students, keep practicing more and more at home. Stay home, stay safe. See you again, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.